Here.
Mommy's here, Maya.
Mommy's here, sweetie. Come on. I'm
Your
right here.
earrings.
I'm right here.
Beautiful.
I like your earrings.
Like a princess.
So cute. Oh my god.
Is this the youngest you dealt with, Margaret? Really?
I've seen baby, but yeah, she's like beyond her years, so it's okay. No, she's like an adult. Come on, say ah, ah. Let me see your teeth.
Good girl. Shy.
Now mukolo man. Mukolo.
Good girl.
Yes. Let me see. Come on, Miriam. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's take the light out. Say ah, Miriam. Ah. Good baby. Good baby. So let me see if I can I have some Pro-P, please? Pro-P, please? Can I brush your teeth, Miriam? Brush your teeth. Okay, she's gonna let you. I think she will. Right, Miriam?
Hopefully like her brother.
Huh?
I hope like her brother. Hopefully.
Does she let you brush?
Yeah, she does.
Okay.
But I don't do it with a toothbrush. I do it with the wipes, tooth wipes.
Okay, let's first let me look, Miriam. It's gonna tickle. It's tickly. Tickle, tickle. Sweetheart. Tickle? Does it tickle? Tickle? You like it? So now we put it on your teeth. Okay? So let's put some light. Come, Miriam. Come, sweetheart. Good girl, like I did on your finger. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Sweetheart. Good baby. Okay, honey. Okay. Good, good. Almost done, almost done. Nice and slow. She's really good. She's just like her brother. Amazing. Look at her. Okay, I know. Are you hungry? Okay, sweetheart, that's it. Nice snack, right? Come. Let me okay. Let me just put the top back and then you go. You want another surprise? I'll give you a surprise. That's it. That's it, honey. Good girl.
Let me fix that.
It tastes really good, huh? Miriam? Yeah, no, I got a little messy. We're good.
What happened, man?
Done.
All done.
You're such a big
Hey,
girl.
why are you eating everything?
All done, man.
You'll be like, wait, it's tasty. So you saying something that was
Does it
tasty.
taste good too?
All
Let's go
done?
back down.
All done.